Hello, what's up everybody? Today is May 13, 2020. This is the first video I make from my workshop, right? My workshop is what I sell in my shop and watching TV, my favorite TV channel, right? Okay, this is my idol. This guy, I think everyone in the world know him. This is Elon Musk and my idol. I don't ever give up. And this guy, Jay Cutler, my idol also. So, I am a Vietnamese people. I'm come from Vietnam. Right now I'm living in Gia Lai City. You know Gia Lai? I think you should check it in Google, right? So everybody want I make video because I just want to practice English and have my English improve and better day by day. So my shop is selling a lot of stuff, man, but I cannot translate in English, like workshop tool or something like that. I can so me and you learn English together, right? That's my purpose. Yes. I think that we just take a look, walking around my working shop. What I'm selling, spray. It's for car, right? For car. Okay. Electric material, right? This is safety breaker. Yeah, that's how I see this. It's safety breaker. And in Vietnam we call it đèn pin. I'm sorry, I can't translate English a lot of things. And in Vietnam we call it mũi khoan. This is in Vietnam we call it keo dán sắt, and in English add steel, right? Add steel, yeah. And here, this is my shop. Walking around, you can see my shop. A lot of stuff right here. Yeah. Up then. And I sorry I can't translate English. Sorry. Yes, a lot of stuff right here. Okay. So we learn English together, right? And translate all these things into English. All this thing. Lock from British, right? Scare, right? Scare. Color. I don't know it's calling in English. Okay, we're learning together. Right? And this is my backyard and my big dog. Thank you everyone. My video has to stop right here and see you in the next time. Thank you everyone.